亲爱的同学们，我是爱着你们的小鸭老师。今天我们一起来学习一篇描述妈妈工作的文章。My mom's work. My mom works in the zoo. Her job is to look after the animals in the zoo. She feeds the animals, washes them, and cleans their rooms. She loves them, and she likes her job very much. She talks to the animals, and the animals understand her. The animals are always happy when they see my mom. Every day, many people come to see the animals in my mom's zoo. But some people do not know the zoo rules. They get too close to dangerous animals like lions or tigers. When people do this, my mom will stop them. 亲爱的小朋友们，今天和小鸭老师一起学习了吗？喜欢小鸭老师，记得双击两下屏幕，关注小鸭老师。